Just outside Whistler, there's a real hidden gem called a train wreck. The train wreck is only an 11-minute drive from Whistler. There's plenty of free parking on site with the main car park and the overflow car park. From the car park, it's roughly a 10 to 15 minute walk to reach the train wreck site. Overall, the condition of the path is really good. It's relatively flat. We also met a few families with young children, so it is suitable for the whole family. After 10 or 15 minutes, first thing you arrive at is the train wreck bridge. This is a really nice short suspension bridge. Just before you head onto the bridge at the right hand side, there's a small area with some benches and seats where you can have some food and drink. When you're on the bridge, it really does give some great photo opportunities. And then when you reach the other side of the bridge, that's when you arrive at the train wreck site itself. You'll see some information relating to the history of how the train cars ended up in the position they're in. And then you're just free to walk around the actual train wreck site itself. We found it really interesting. It's just something a bit different to do. It's free to visit and it's just a nice place to have a look around, and the sort of history behind it, how long these cars have been here, how they arrived here. I do hope you've enjoyed the video, found the information useful and help you decide if it's a place you would like to visit. If you have enjoyed the video, please consider a like and also consider subscribing to my channel. I will be adding many more travel review videos. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you on the next one.